So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me if the actual keyboard of the iPad Pro is worth it. Now, I personally think it's totally worth it. So as you can see, you just take it off and you see here the actual equipment, which basically is just like a big magnet, which you just connect your actual iPad and it's connected to the actual keyboard. Now, I think it's really worth it. Now, it's, as you can see, it's on like another level. The quality that you have on your actual iPad Pros, in general, it works wonders. You've also got here the small actual let's say trackpad, but in general it does work wonders. And since many of you have been asking me if it was worth it, I personally think it's totally worth it. It is true that it's 150 euros, so approximately $160, but I think it's very, very worth it. After a year of using it, I would say it's non-stop one of the best keyboards in the segment. Okay, we use the Windows for daily actual let's say uploading videos, editing, and marketing campaigns, but the iPad Pro with the actual keyboard is pretty much amazing too. Okay, as always, if you've got any questions, leave it just here in the comments below.